Good afternoon everyone, selamat tengah hari. Today IP ServerOne is at Pekan, Pahang. We're at University UMPSA Faculty Komputeran. Come on, let's bring you around. We have some of the sponsors here, as you can see. And this is the lobby of Faculty Komputeran by UMPSA. Okay.